First Avenue. It's not a lot, but we take what we got and make do. Away from